is we created gloves with slime ingredients inside, and we'll be popping them to see what mystery slimes we can make. So let's get right on to it. So these are all the gloves. They all have glue in them, and I choose this one. Can I get better scissors? Okay, glue. So now I'm putting in like add-ins. What's it? See what's inside because it doesn't feel like anything. Oh, it's like little metallic things here, like that. Now I'm gonna choose. Oh, I know what this is. I think it's clay. This is what I have so far, and that feels like nothing. I want to see what's in this one. It's like squishy, so I think it might be shaving cream. Is this shaving cream? Is it? I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's shaving cream. Fluffy slime. This is my slime. So now I'm adding activator. And I think I'm gonna go for this one because this one's like sticky and gross. So I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to start off with mine. I have two glues. This one seems empty. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. Oh yeah, okay, like I don't really. Oh, okay, like. Now I'm gonna get my add-ins, so that's all my add-in gloves. Ooh, this one feels cool. I'm gonna open it. Wait, like, you know, like. Ooh, it's like pink. Food coloring. Oh, paint. Oh no. That's as much as it's gonna get. So I'm gonna mix it in. I'm just gonna pick a random one, so I'm just gonna like one. Okay, so I grab this one. I'm gonna cut the fingers. This is like a special like shaving cream thing, so I'm gonna test it out. Mix it in. Whoa, it's activating already. That's so weird. That is so weird. It's like activating. It's like shaving cream or something. And it's activating? Okay, that is weird. That's strange. Okay, I'm gonna pick another one. I'm gonna pick this one. Oh, this is like weird. I don't really want to add that one. I'm gonna add this one. What is this? Ew. Okay, I just heard a weird noise. What is this? Is this also paint? I got more paint! It's gonna be like a dark pink. I think I'm gonna go ahead and activate this. So I guess it's kind of already activated, but this is weird. So I'm just gonna like play with this. Ew. Okay, I think I'm gonna activate this with normal activator too to see what happens. Wait, is this? What is this? Is this activator? Okay, I guess we have to find out. Oh, that's clear glue. What am I doing? I just added clear glue. Now I'm gonna try and find an activator. Is this what? I'm pretty sure this is activator. Let me try it. See what this is. Nope, this is more of that weird stuff. Okay, this is strange. We can all agree. I can't find activator. Since we couldn't find the activator glove, we're just gonna add some. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Also, comment down below if you think the slimes were good. Also, the link to my friend's giveaway will be in the link in the description. So make sure you go enter for a chance to win a free Halloween squishy. Bye!